Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying gear and power. Plug the Lightning adapter into your iPhone or iPad. You should feel a snug click. Once done, attach the USB cable from your camera, flash drive, or MIDI keyboard to the adapter. Make sure the USB device is powered on if required, because many peripherals won't enumerate if they draw more power than the adapter supplies. If prompted on screen, tap Trust or Allow to grant access. This gets your device into a ready state for data transfer. You now access files. Open the Files app for drives or photos for cameras. Some accessories use their own app. Select Import or Copy to move photos, videos, or documents. Choose a target folder on iCloud or on my iPhone. While transferring, keep the screen awake and avoid closing apps. Transfers can pause if iOS suspends the background process. If the device supports multiple file types, import only what you need to speed up the operation. Once transfer is complete, confirm files opened correctly. To finish, close any open apps using the accessory and gently unplug the adapter. This prevents corruption. If your accessory wasn't recognized, try a powered USB hub because the adapter provides limited power. Using a hub often resolves drawer-related issues. Also, swap the USB cable to rule out a bad lead. If nothing changes, restart your iPhone or iPad and check for iOS updates. Compatibility fixes occur often. These steps solve the majority of connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.